In a world often clouded by chaos, let us uncover the simple yet profound blessings that whisper of a more harmonious existence. May every sound heard be the sound of consciousness awakening. May every blink of our eyes allow us to see that we are all one. May every word spoken be filled with kindness and compassion. With every beat of our heart, may we learn to love unconditionally. With every step taken, may the world come closer to peace. As we embrace the symphony of life with mindful awareness, let us step forward together in harmony, creating a world where love, compassion, and peace are not just aspirations, but the very essence of our shared existence. This is Cheryl T. Campbell, sending you blessings from my heart.